Hello and welcome to Doncaster Fear Factory. My name's Matt, this is the Coaster Giant channel, and it's time to get spooky.
It's all in the woods. Remember from last year, this was a really cool event because of the setting of it. We've been given a checklist for the mazes. We've got 5 mazes. We've seen roaming actors. There's a lot of screaming going on down here. So yeah, let's get in. We've got 5 mazes to check out. There's quite a lot of people here, so hopefully we'll get on them all. We've got 2 hours to do them all.
10 out of 10 play. It's the dream.
We've started. This wasn't here last year. It's like a walk-through tunnel. Oh, they smell as well. This smells like the sack race at school, remember? Oh, survived. And we're in. So compared to last year, there's 1 new maze. My favourite maze last year was right here, and it's gone, but it's been replaced by Friargate Foundry. So well excited to check that out. And we've got a little show going on over here as well. Let's go and check it out. So it is the preview night tonight, so I think it's the first time the mazes have been open. But compared to last year, I can already see it's bigger and better than before. We've actually got Waltzers, and we've got food and drink things open in the middle here as well. The vibes are on point. So I know I've already mentioned this, but you're literally in the woods here. Like, see, just trees, just trees. Wear appropriate footwear because you are on like mud tracks with a bit of gravel. And then all of the little mazes are hidden amongst the trees. First up, we're getting in the Pogo Club queue, so nightclub themed maze. I remember this was decent last year. Let's see if they made any changes this year.
I don't know. Guys turn up to work and nearly killed me early for calling.
No, why am I on my own now? Oh, why have I been separated from everybody?
John, you're me!
Why am I on my own?
Come on, he's not going to wait for his dinner.
How'd you get out?
Come on, this way.
Oh my god.
Come on, he's not going to wait for his dinner.
Oh no. Oh god.
Oh Mr. Casey's gonna be so happy. Oh, I enjoyed it.
Why was I on my own? Were you on your own?
Yeah, I got separated.
Yeah, same. Didn't like that. Wait, I thought it was over. It's not over. Oh god. Oh my god, we're out first. I tell you what, I'm hot after that. Oh, that was cool. There was a lot of actors in that. Did you get loads of actors?
Yeah, on my own. I got like 3 on my own.
How did we get separated and we're out first and like no one else is out yet?
Did you get a really bad scare from someone that was really well hidden?
Yeah, in a dark room.
Yeah.
That was
It's a
decent.
multi-room this year. Last year we were all together. This year.
I want to see. Let's see if they got separated as well. Okay, there's literally no queue for Friargate Foundry, so we're heading straight in. The whole facade of this has been changed from last year as well, which is pretty cool. A lot of detail on it. We're being watched. Let's hope there's not a queue inside. We've got the green light. And we've been warned that actors might touch us. Let's go.
All my crew! You, the keeper! You released contagion! Yeah! It's you now! He has you! He has all of you! He's been his playthings! Standing for you! He knows your faces!
Change your faces.
I see them in the dark. My crew, they whisper to me. They say there is no hope.
Oh no.
I hear them. I take it in. I take it in.
We're going low. Whoa!
I bet you'll rest in pieces.
Oh, it stinks. Spooky in here. Oh, it's him again. Sorry. Did you get squared in your eye? Yeah! So did I. Oh. We just got squared with holy water. Oh my god.
But you? Oh yeah. You can be my new cellmate. Come and join me. Come on this way. No, actually, I don't like it.
Good, good.
And you're his. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. So you better
Oh, no, not again. Oh. The smells in here are good.
in there!
Oh no. Bye, Josh. Bye.
You're coming with me?
I'm not.
Come on. Join me.
I'm going.
Tell him to join me. The
Bye,
doctor will
Josh.
see you.
What the hell?
Who's next?
Oh, dentist.
I'm gonna go to the real dentist.
What about you?
What was that?
Let's have you. Let's have a look at those
Oh my god. Oh, it's dark in here. You can't even go to the toilet in peace. Friargate was decent. It was totally different to last year. The facade and everything inside seems to have changed from what I remember. They were very hands-on in there. There was loads of actors. Basically, it's about everyone becoming infected with something. So everyone's infected and they're all trying to get you, and then you go for a prison section, and it was all very weird. But I do like it when they're a little bit more hands-on in mazes. It's a lot. It just makes it a bit more fun and a bit more real. So that gets a big. I loved that last year. I'm gutted that maze is gone, but it's a decent replacement. Next up, we're doing Diabolus. I remember this from last year. I remember it was a hooded maze, and it was very freaky, and there was a really cool effect in it. So let's see if they've changed it up this year. So this is different. No hoods so far.
We just don't lie. We just don't lie.
Oh my god. That was strange. That was so different to last year. It wasn't a hooded maze. I don't want to give too many spoilers away, but it was very different. Packed full of actors, lots of grabbing as well, which was good. But yeah, the hoods were gone, and the big effect, the big finale last year just wasn't there. We just walked straight through the chapel scene, and that was it. And if you know, you know. But yeah, it was a good maze, but it feels like a bit of a downgrade on last year. That's a shame. What is that? We've got a new bar this year. I feel like I've got no light in here.
Would you like a torch? It's a Type AU blood bag.
What is it though?
It's
light.
AU vodka with something, but I know that this is strawberry sours.
That's a big shot.
25 mil. Standard shots.
Can I feed it to you?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how fast it's going to go. Oh, there we go. That's only half.
Can you just say something like?
It hit my tonsils.
Can you just say one day?
Do you want me to do it? Do you want me to like put it on your tongue?
No. I'm crying.
I'm being gentle this time. It's not going to hit your tonsils. Done. Down we go. As part of the new maze, there is a tap room where you can get all sorts of weird drinks and shelter from the rain if it's raining. So you've got the whole main like hub area over here with all the food, the drinks, and a bar. But you can also escape into here. If you want a shot in a syringe or a bag of blood to drink, this is your place. As well as loads of roaming offices, the central hub. I already mentioned you've got Waltzers, we're going to show them out in a bit. It's got covered areas as well, so even if it's raining, you're going to be fine. Don't like it. What? I can't believe how bad it's raining.
I can't believe I'm in fucking pyjama top with nothing else.
Is that the same scarecrow thing coming back down there?
Over there. Right on you. You're all good.
Oh, it's hard to find light in this wood. That maze was brilliant. The chasm, by far my favourite so far this year. The theming in there was really good. There's packed full of actors. They're very hands-on, like not in a rough way, but they're like touching your hair, they're touching your face, they're touching your neck, you're stroking your back. I was at the back of the group walking through. Yeah, I really liked that. Oh my god. So the set pieces are really good in that as well. The best set pieces that we've done out of all the mazes so far. They're very confined. It's like you're in a little cave. You're like literally bending down for a lot of it as well, which is quite hard work for me, but very, very good. By far my favourite maze of the night so far. Last maze. They all have fast track and main queues, so you can invest if it's a busy night. The rain is bad now. It's really warm, so I'm too hot to put my hoodie on, so I'm just gonna get wet. Okay, we're in Crackle Hill. This toy. Oh. Was that you in the mirror? Oh my god, it's another crawler. Oh my god, you can see people in the walls. Oh god! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look at what she's done to me!
Oh my god.
What?
This is my house!
What the hell?
Take me with you! She's my child! Please take me with you, please! Don't let me with you again! Don't let me again!
I loved that. Crackle Hill, second best maze here, I'd say. Far better than I remember last year. There was a lot of actors in there. What I really like about all the actors here, they're acting the story rather than just screaming in your face all the time and jumping out of the walls. They're actually part of the set. So yeah, that was really good. I can't really remember it from last year, which makes me feel like the fact that I've come out of that really buzzing means they've really improved it this year. So we just did the Waltzers. They're a £4 upcharge, but oh my god, we were on there for about 10 minutes. That was quite a spin. It is hammering it down now, so I'm gonna get home and then I'll give you my final review.
So I just want to say a massive thank you to the team down at Doncaster Fear Factory for inviting me down for the second year in a row. I can honestly say this year was way better than last year. We had so much fun. The mazes are all really good. The returning mazes have all been changed up and have got slight tweaks. There's definitely things that I noticed that were new this year from last year. They're all really story based, which I really appreciate. And the actors are acting in the mazes, they're acting a role. I think I've already said this. But it's not just like people stood in a room in a costume, jumping out at you, screaming in your face. They're all playing a part in the story of the maze, which is something that I really appreciate and really look for in a scare maze. The only one I was a little bit disappointed with was the maze that had hoods in it last year. That felt like a bit of a disappointment, but the rest were all massively improved. And the new maze for this year was 10 out of 10. Packed full of actors, loads of set pieces, loads of lighting, loads of smells, loads of smoke. Absolutely what I look for in a scare maze. Thanks very much for watching this one. There's still some more spooky stuff coming up on the channel. Soon we'll have my review of the 4 big scare mazes, including Compound, the brand new one for this year from Alton Towers. So if you're into this kind of content and you've enjoyed watching me, then please hit that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and then you won't miss out on the next videos over this Halloween period. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.